Bluey sat by the window dreaming big. A strange humming filled the air loud. Bingo asked, "What's that sound? Could something be arriving?" Bandit stepped outside, scanning the sky. Chilli grabbed a lantern glowing bright. Rusty shouted, "Look above the trees. Could it be a portal?" A swirling circle opened huge. Colors spun like liquid fire fast. Indy gasped, "I've never seen that. Could it lead somewhere else?" The wind pulled them forward strong. Muffin clutched socks, screaming high. Bluey grabbed Bingo's paw tight, brave. Could they be sucked inside? In a flash they landed hard. A golden desert stretched endless wide. Towers of sand rose tall, moving. Could this be a living land? A booming roar shook the dunes fierce. A sand serpent uncoiled, massive long. Its eyes glowed hot like embers. Could it be hunting them? Bandit raised a shield of driftwood quick. Chilli called, "Stay close, don't run." Rusty gritted his teeth, ready. Could courage defeat this beast? Bluey climbed a dune, bold fast. She waved her balloon, shining bright. Indy shouted, "It's working, it's distracted." Could they turn the tide? Bingo hurled a stone with all her strength. The serpent hissed and coiled back wild. Sandstorms swirled around, furious loud. Could it retreat now? Suddenly the ground split open wide. A staircase of light appeared, glowing. Muffin squealed, "It's beautiful." Could this be the serpent's secret? They ran down the stairs, fearless. The air sparkled with gems bright. Chests of treasure lined the walls, huge. Could they really keep it? The serpent slithered in behind, calm. It placed a crystal crown before Bluey, proud. Everyone froze silent, amazed. Could this mean friendship, not war? Bluey lifted the crown high, shining. The desert itself began to sing strong. Dunes shifted into waves of gold vast. Could this be magic unleashed? The portal reopened, glowing wider. The serpent bowed as they stepped through, safe. They landed back home under the stars clear. Could adventure always call them again? And if you felt that rush with them, tap like, hit subscribe, and carry the crown into the next story waiting for you.